Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Union County, Illinois, southeastern Jackson County, Illinois, southeastern Perry County, Missouri, northeastern Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, until 9 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Altenburg to near Jackson, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Old Appleton, Pocahontas, Cobden, Alto Pass, Gorham, Frona, Carbondale, Macanda, Trail of Tears State Park, Graham Tower, Cedar Lake area, Altenburg, Oak Ridge, Ware, Murfreesboro, Jackson, and Anna. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 104 and 117. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Jackson and Union, and the following counties in Missouri, Cape Girardeau and Perry. The tornado warning for north